Ladies and gentlemen, this is Abdulghani Said Othman Al-Amoudi. In this video, I'm going to represent my demo under the title of Mckibben Actuator Soft Splint Device for Post-Stroke and Rehabilitation. So this topic is supervised by Prof. Ahmed Atif bin Muhammad Fawzi. So these are the main components in my soft splint, where I use 8 Mckibben actuator connected to finger exoskeleton, and each finger has 3 rings. And here we have the wrist supporter, we have the back of the hand supporter, and palm strip as well. Wearing this splint does not require a lot of effort, so we can start by wearing the back of the hand supporter. Then we may put the wrist supporter on it. After that, we have to attach the palm strip in order to make the patient hand stable when the training is ongoing. Right after that, we have to put the finger exoskeleton on our hand. So we can start by inserting our hand between the holder. This holder job is used for stability of muscle. So we can insert each finger separately. As I said previously, this process is simple and it can be done easily. So after we wear each finger separately, we have to attach the holder to our hand in order to make the muscle in the right position. I use the Velcro on the top of the holder. So as you can see here, we are done wearing this glove. So now let's go for testing. So this is the control box we are using here. We have a 4-channel analog valve. It's used for distribution the air to the muscle. We have also a 4 potentiometer where we can control the airflow by adjusting the potentiometer. So now I connect the splint to the control box to control the motion of fingers, where the control box is connected to a regulator or pressure sensor, and the pressure sensor is connected to the compressor, where it supplies the air to the system. So here's our compressor, and this is our pressure regulator, and this is our splint as well. Let's do some training now, starting from the flexion. We start by the index finger. As you can see, each finger can flex up to more than 80 degrees, which is a good thing for patient. This is the ring finger, and lastly the little finger. So now let's do some testing for the extension. We can start by the little finger. As you can see, it extends from the flexion position, then the ring finger, the index, and lastly the middle finger.